reason for a fellow young man to speak his last words after being left to die at the intersection of 19th and Gross Northeast. You do not take the law into your own hands. This is why we have laws. You heard evidence in this case about the defendant's mother, and that evidence came from Exhibit 8C, the Sprint records. You heard evidence that the cell phone in which the drug deal was set up and used was registered to Josiah Eutsey, a Josiah Eutsey. And Agent Kunkel told you about the standard billing address in Lenexa, Kansas. And he also told you that that cell phone stopped being used on May 30th, 2019, 3:03:33 p.m. to 3:08:22 p.m. Less than 5 minutes over this bag of weed. And during that same time, the Eutsey phone makes contact at two cell towers, 3:04:14 p.m. and 3:06:40 p.m., moving en route to the homicide.
As you saw, I did not present any evidence of an alibi. And that was because as the trial progressed, I saw that I did not have the evidence to prove it. Does that mean I'm conceding that Josiah is guilty? Absolutely not. Does that mean that the state gets a free pass? That they don't have to prove anything? Absolutely not. They still have to present sufficient evidence to prove, by proof beyond a reasonable doubt, every single element of the offenses. Every single element, including whether he is the one that is the defendant in this case, whether he committed the homicides. I know that Taquan came in today and testified. You heard him. How, even though this was his best friend, the son of the lady he called mom, he didn't come forward to the police. You are told, it's actually drilled into your heads to use your reason and common sense. Which one of you would have hesitated? Which one of you would have sat there and said, I'm not going to go to him unless my grandmother takes me there? And which one of you, when you got there, instead of telling the truth, would lie to protect yourself? Because protecting yourself is more important than your dead friend. Why would he tell someone, I don't know who shot me? Again, going back to reason and common sense. Which one of you in that position would tell someone helping you, I don't know who shot me?